everyone. So I'm always going on and on about how the 35mm and 85mm prime lenses are a magical combination together. So today in a portrait photo shoot behind the scenes, I want to show you why these two lenses are my favorite portrait lenses and how I like to use them together to create a photo shoot. So today I have the Sony A7 III and I'm going to be using the GM 35mm f1.4 and I also have the GM 85mm f1.4. Can you stand in the middle of the road? Take a little step that way. So pretty. Love that. Yeah, I love that movement, nice and free flowing. So when I'm shooting with a 35 and an 85mm lens, I normally like to use my 35 for the majority of the photo shoot. The reason I like this is because A, I love distortion. I love like that weird funky look that the 35 produces. And B, I also really love to be able to see more of my location. So with a 35, you don't have as much compression, there's not as much bokeh, even if you're shooting wide open. So I really like that you can see a lot of texture and color and more of the location that you're shooting in. Oh my gosh, I love your movement, it's so good. And can you sit with your knees towards, so if you kind of sit like on your side like that, that'd be cool. So Dan made these like little wooden blocks with some rubber grips on the bottom that we're gonna put underneath the skate so she doesn't like roll down the street. Safety first, guys. It's around. Oh no!
Oh my god, you're like...
And then we'll spin around.
Right, maybe move one foot and I'll put my foot behind you. I was so ready
to go out and buy rollerblades.
You were like, okay, maybe not. Can you put your foot on that?
Good at this.
Okay, that looks great there. Hey, how do you feel standing on one foot?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, okay. Out, out, out. Now you're just your hand. Okay, now you're out. Just yell if you want Lydia to come and grab you.
Oh, these are fake wobbles, but maybe
Okay, that's perfect. That looks so cool. I love that how you did that like sideways. I think we should do a sitting one while you've got them on. We can like roll you there. Yeah, I love like the blue in the background, really matches the pink dress. So I feel like I love using the 35mm lens to create the story of my photo shoot because you can see more in the image. It's got a more lifestyle feel to the photos you're taking. So I use it to create the big chunk of the shoot that has all the location and the poses and just the main storyline of the photo shoot. That looks cool. Hold that for a sec. Yeah. I like that with the other knee higher. Oh, that looks cool tying up the shoelaces. So I'm gonna get a shot where you like, it's just like a hint of the roller skates in the corner. It's like mostly a portrait there. We get another shot of you leaning your, oh no, that's cool. I think I've gotten as many as I possibly can. They look so cool. Do you want to roll back?
You're like, I'm doing this.
Oh my god.
You're like, I'm going. You're like,
Oh, you're going fast.
Too fast. As a kid, I remember my mum always.
Okay, so I wanted to get some close-ups of you. I think we'll stand just here so we have more blue in the background will look nice. So even though I personally love shooting everything on a 35, full body shots, mid-length shots, close-up shots, the distortion and the look a 35 produces, especially for close-up photos, is not a style that everyone loves. So that's where the 85mm lens comes in. So while I'm getting the full body shots, the lifestyle shots, the storyboard images with a 35, I like to switch to an 85 when I want to get those beautiful close-ups of my subject to fill in the story. So I'm going to shoot with the 85 here. We have a really beautiful location with a little bit of sandstone and then a really nice blue color of the fence, which I want to be like the prominent part of the background of my photo. That looks really cool with your arm up because the sleeve puffs up really nicely. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, bringing your shoulder in like that looks good. What? Oh, hello. Hello. You're like Mr. Inflatable Man. For this shot, I'm cropping it just above your knees and I'm getting like heaps of space up there so you can kind of do like cool. When I'm using a couple of prime lenses for my photo shoot, I like to strategically choose when to use them so I don't end up breaking the flow of the shoot by pausing and having to change my lens a bunch of times. At the beginning of this photo shoot, I started on the 35 lens in one location and switched to the 85 for a few extra shots in that same spot. As we head to our second location, I like to do the opposite and start on the 85, which is already on my camera. Once I got the shots I need, I'll switch back to the 35 for the rest of the photo shoot, which means I only needed to change my lens twice while I'm at the photo shoot. Nice. Let me get in for a close-up there, that looks really good. Yeah, that's so nice. Oh, that's nice. Do you want to do a walking away, looking over your shoulder back at me? Cool, and then come back towards me. The wind blew at like the perfect time and pushed your hair back. Should we do one more like crouchy sitting? Oh, they just turned the lights on. Let me get that in the background. Oh my God, that looks so cool. And can you sit, kind of sitting like that before, as I want to get like a landscape. Oh, that's so cool. At the end of the photo shoot, if we have some really great golden hour or some extra time left over, I might change my lens one last time to get some 85mm shots. In this location, it was quite overcast and I preferred the 35mm photos since I was going for a fun, lifestyle photo shoot, so I kept that lens on for the rest of the afternoon instead. So that is it for our photo shoot today, and why I love using a 35 and an 85mm together, and why they're both my favorite portrait lenses. I'd love to know what you thought of the photos down in the comments below. We had such a fun photo shoot. This is an idea I've wanted to do for the longest time, and I feel like it came together so perfectly today. I want to say a big thank you to Adelaide, Lydia, and Dan for being amazing and being part of this photo shoot. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye.